Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly enable Bluetooth on your Hackintosh. This guide specifically focuses on Intel Wi-Fi cards that feature a combo Bluetooth module. For this demonstration, I'm using a ThinkPad T480 equipped with an Intel AX201 card running macOS Tahoe 6.4.1 on OpenCore version 1.0.7. I've included a link in the description box listing all supported Intel cards. If yours is on that list, this method should work for you. Before we dive in, we need a few essential files. You can find the download links for these kexts in the description. itlwm.kext, the primary driver for the Intel Wi-Fi hardware. Intel Bluetooth firmware.kext provides the necessary firmware for the chip. Intel btpatcher.kext fixes specific bugs within the Intel Bluetooth stock, and bluetoolfixup.kext, required for macOS Monterey and newer, including Tahoe, to make the Bluetooth stock compatible. Important note: before proceeding, ensure you have already completed your USB port mapping. macOS views the internal Bluetooth module as a USB device, and if your ports aren't mapped correctly, Bluetooth will not work regardless of your drivers. Before anything else, make sure you made a backup of your working EFI folder into a USB flash drive in case your Hackintosh won't boot after doing this guide. First, let's get our files in the right place. We will be using OpenCore Auxiliary Tools, or OCOT, for this process. Open OCOT and click the Mount EFI icon. Select your system drive and click Mount and Open. Copy the 4 files we downloaded earlier and paste them into this folder. Navigate to your mounted EFI partition. Go to the folder path, EFI, OC, Kexts. Now, let's register these kexts in our config file. In OCOT, click on the kernel section on the left sidebar. You'll notice the 4 new kexts have been automatically detected. Order matters here. Use the up-down buttons to arrange them. Follow the specific order shown on my screen to ensure proper loading during boot. Next, we need to add a couple of NVRAM entries. Go to the NVRAM section and select the third UUID entry starting with 7C43. In the right-hand pane, click the plus button to add a new row. Double-click the empty key and paste the first entry provided in the description. Set the type to data and the value to 00. Copy and paste the second entry. The string will be data and preceded by the multiple zeros as shown here. Make sure that you have CSR config entry as well with the specific value like on this video. Once finished, click the Save icon at the top to commit the changes to your config.plist. Close OCOT and restart your Hackintosh. Once back at the desktop, let's head into the notification bar and open the Bluetooth settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth icon is now active and toggled on. That's a great sign. Let's try to connect a phone via Bluetooth connection. I will put the screen recording from the phone for a side-by-side action. If this helped you get your Intel Bluetooth working, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hackintosh guides. Thanks for watching.